giant UFO tomorrow.
Yeah. That's why they get all those special satellites. Like, oh, here.
No, that's the probably the fairing. Or the solid.
Oh, that's cool. Got a separation.
Those are the solid probably. No, they're going on the hard.
But he did seem a little important.
He did. He looked like some dirt working engineer. Those are the solid.
That. You got the video, Mike?
Yeah, I got some of it.
Hi!
Hi, Mike. We're watching SpaceX launch.
Woo!
SpaceX launch and Starlink, somebody said.
Southern California, baby. Home of the rocket boosts.
It's right next door.
Right over here in Long Beach. Why did you?
I think I lost it. Oh, there it is.
Hi!
Let's get a picture of this bot here.
Is it going to do anything else? Got any more stages or anything?
Oh yeah, it's got.
We'll never get this photo again. What's Mike doing? We don't know.
Look at that six-pack.
Woo! Smile, Mo.
Wow. Man, that's